welcome you here to Bloom Towers Residences here in Oniru V.I. Now, right in front of this beach is where I want to show you. Now, let's go inside and see for yourself. Of this amazing edifice are the following: 24 hours electricity, 24 hours uninterrupted power supply. All of the constructions here are going to be smart homes, fully automated, fully equipped fitness center, a leisure deck with swimming pool, grand space shop, office space, children playground, among so many others. So if you've been looking for that amazing investment opportunity facing the beach, here in Oniru V.I, look no further. Bloom Towers is here for you from the developers of Blue Waters. Now, as you can see, work is ongoing on site. Tractors on ground, materials on ground, engineers on ground, everything is in place. So we're ready to deliver. You know what to do? Make an initial deposit, and of course we will deliver excellently. This is coming from the same developers of Blue Water Towers in Oniru. Smart investors who have been looking for investment to be a part of in VI, this is for you.